Hello everyone, today our topic is how to create Zoho Recruit candidates for Google Forms submission. So today our objective is that whenever we get a new submission in our Google Forms, then we want to create a new candidate in Zoho Recruit account. For this, we are going to create an integration between Google Forms and Zoho Recruit. For creating this integration, I am going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I am going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I am going to use Google Forms. In Action application, I'm going to use Zoho Recruit. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. Hello everyone, I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we have Google Forms, and this is my Google Form. And we have these details here: first name, last name, email, phone number, and the city. And I'm saving all the responses of my Google Form in this particular sheet. Let me show you this. So this is the sheet where I am adding all the responses of my Google Form, and we have these 6 columns here: timestamp, first name, last name, email, phone number, and the city. So here my objective is that whenever someone fill or submitted my Google Form, then I will use these details and it will create a new candidate in my Zoho Recruit account, which is an application tracking software built to manage recruiting process across staffing agencies and corporate companies in an efficient manner. For this, I'm gonna create an integration between Google Form and Zoho Recruit. For this, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take me to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have 2 options: sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in. And you will see this page. So these are the tools that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now, I'm going to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I will name it as my objective to create Zoho Recruit candidates for Google Form submission. Now I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I will select Home and I will click on Create. And it will take me to this most important window of my workflow. Here we have 2 boxes: Trigger and Action. So these are the 2 main principles on which my workflow works on. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we will set up our trigger first. So my trigger application here will be Google Form. I will search for that. I will click here. And I have to give a trigger event. For that, I will open this tab, and new response received will be my trigger event. I will select this. Now I have to connect my Google Form. For connecting my Google Form, I'm going to use this webhook URL, which is going to work as a bridge between Google Form and Pabbly Connect. Now, to connect my Google Form with Pabbly Connect, I need to follow all these instructions. And for that, I will copy this webhook URL. And I will go to the Google Sheet where I'm adding all the responses of my Google Form. Here I will go to Extensions, and I will go to Add-ons. I will click on Get Add-ons. And it will take us to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here, I'm going to search for Pabbly Connect Webhook. And I have to install this extension. I've already installed this, so I'm going to close this. And I will go back to Extensions. And here, I will go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And I'm going to click on Initial Setup. Now I'm going to paste that webhook URL here. And we have this other detail, which is trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that data row will be sent to the webhook URL. Here I have this column F, which is last data entry column. So I'm going to type F here, and I'm going to click on Submit. And my setup configured successfully. So I'm going to close this. Now I will go back to Extensions. I will go back to Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and I'm going to select this Send on Event. Now what this is going to do is that whenever we add a new row and whenever we will get new data, it will send that data back to our Pabbly Connect. Now I will go to my Google Forms. and I will fill this form. So I'm going to preview this form and I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my first name will be dummy, last name will be user, email will be dummyuser@pabblytuts.com, and I will give a phone number. So this will be my random phone number and the city will be Bhopal, and I'm going to click on submit. So my form is submitted, and let's go to Google Sheet, and I have added this new row with the details that I have filled in my Google form. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see we have this response. So the first name is dummy, last name is user, and the email is dummyuser@pabblytuts.com, and the city is Bhopal, and this is the random phone number. Now what I want is I want to add this as a candidate in my Zoho Recruit. For that, I will set up my action. I will open this, and my action application will be Zoho Recruit. I will click here, and I will give an action event. So I will open this, and my action event will be create record, and I'm going to connect Zoho Recruit with Pabbly Connect. So I will click on connect. I will click on add new connection. I will connect with Zoho Recruit, and for connecting my Zoho Recruit, I have to give a domain. So for that, I will go back to Zoho Recruit, and here in the URL, we can see we have this domain, which is zoho.in. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to select this zoho.in, and I'm going to click on save. I will click on accept. And I have successfully connected my accounts. Now we have these details here, and we have to map all these details. So first I will select the module. Here we need to create a new candidate. For that, I will select the module as candidates. And I'm going to map the details of my candidate here. And for these details, I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tab, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for that, I'm going to click here. I will open this response, and I will find the first name. So this is my first name. I'm going to map this. Similarly, I will map the last name and the full name. So for the full name, I will map the first name. I will give a space and the last name. Now I will map the email address. Similarly, I will map the mobile number. And if you have these other details, you can fill these too. Now I will scroll down, and I will click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have this response. So here we can see we have added this candidate successfully. Now to check this, let's go to Zoho Recruit, and I will go to candidates. And here in the candidate, we can see we have added this new candidate. Let's check this. So the name is dummy user, and the email is dummyuser@pabblytuts.com, and this is the random phone number. So these are the details that we have filled in our Google form. So here we can see that whenever we are getting a new form submitted in our Google form, then we are using those details and we are adding a new candidate in our Zoho Recruit account. So our workflow here is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Google Form and Zoho Recruit. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first we have set up our trigger, and our trigger application was Google Forms, and our trigger event was new response received. Then we have set up our action, and our action application was Zoho Recruit, and our action event was create record. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.